Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management ubak Kirmen Shilla hinin gesngi ula penlong ya ke Jingyalang ban Yamir Jingmut halor ke Jingpynkreh jong ke Jylla ban Iakhun Pyrshah ya ke Jingpynjulor ke Mariang ha ke Jylla ha ke Baidai bat ke Jingther Uslam. Habai keren bat kilat pathai khubor ubak Shilla ula ong balakin thup lang ya ke Jingtiet uperthat bat ke Leili ya ke Merat ha ke Jingpynjulor ya ke Mariang. Shu uni menteri ula pentip baka Sorkar Jylla mentakan sepenunkam daki drone ban kemi ya ke Jingshlai ki Jingtua Khendo bat kiwei ki Jingpynjulor ya ke Mariang. Daka babinrap shu hagane ke Jingyalang layamir jingmut halor ke Jingtua Khendo ka baman kapor ha Sonapur ka badan ha ke Surok ba ka Bahinreu.
Most of the time we don't know that whether this lightning strike is included or not for the compensation when it comes to especially lightning strike. So now I would like to share to our friends that this has been declared as a local disaster. So as per the norms provided by the central government, and we follow almost the same. It's the same only. So we pay the compensation for those people who lost their life in lightning strike, and even for animal strike, lightning strike, even that also means covered in this local disaster.